Imagine a breathtaking cosmic symphony, performed by an endless orchestra of stars, planets, and moons, all moving in perfect celestial harmony. Amid this stellar performance, one group of celestial bodies has captured astronomers' imagination for centuries: exoplanets. These distant worlds lie far beyond our solar system, hidden deep within the vast reaches of the Milky Way. What may truly astonish you is that among these countless celestial objects, one exoplanet stands out, so remarkably Earth-like, so strikingly familiar that it might just be our planetary twin. Let's journey into the intriguing world of Proxima B, a planet orbiting a star just 4.2 light-years from Earth. Thanks to the revolutionary James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, our quest to discover and understand these mysterious exoplanets is entering a bold new era. Now, imagine your mind drifting to the vastness of the Milky Way, a galaxy teeming with more than a quadrillion exoplanets. To grasp that number, picture each exoplanet as a grain of sand. Not only would that fill the Grand Canyon, it would be enough to build a second one, Grand Canyon 2.0, stretching over 4 million kilometers in length. Even more mind-blowing, about 20% of these distant worlds may be Earth-like in both atmosphere and geology. That's 1 in every 5 planets potentially resembling our own. And orbiting many of them, there may be another quadrillion moons, rocky satellites similar to Earth's moon, locked in graceful gravitational dances with their planets. If you're hoping for the discovery of another world that could harbor life, or at least the conditions for it, know this: the universe is bursting with possibility. Now that we've glimpsed the sheer scale of the cosmos, let's meet the instrument painting its most intricate details: the James Webb Space Telescope. This technological marvel, equipped with a massive 6.5-meter mirror, 2.7 times larger than Hubble's, is rewriting the rules of space observation. It doesn't just capture starlight, it dissects it. Armed with cutting-edge infrared sensors and spectrographs, Webb can read the faintest light signatures reflected or emitted by exoplanets, revealing their atmospheres, compositions, densities, and even the potential presence of water, organic compounds, or oxygen. Think of it as a space-based forensic scientist, one capable of decoding the chemical fingerprints of alien worlds. Far more than just Hubble's successor, JWST represents a quantum leap forward. If Hubble amazed you, what Webb reveals may completely transform your understanding of a universe. One star system, in particular, draws our attention: Proxima Centauri and its intriguing planet Proxima B. Since its discovery in 2016, Proxima B has fascinated scientists with its paradoxes and possibilities. Located a mere 4.2 light-years away, it's practically in our cosmic backyard. To put that into perspective, light itself would take just over 4 years to reach it, the same length as a presidential term or the time it takes for a trending show to become a nostalgic throwback. But Proxima B's proximity isn't its only appeal. It lies within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Not too hot, not too cold. This Goldilocks zone raises a tantalizing possibility that Proxima B could be Earth's twin, an Earth 2.0, and perhaps, just perhaps, capable of supporting life. Liquid water. Picture waterfalls tumbling over alien cliffs, vast rivers carving paths through otherworldly terrain, and oceans as deep and enigmatic as Earth's own Mariana Trench. It's a captivating image, but before we fantasize about vacationing on Proxima B, we must confront some of its stranger realities. For one, a single day on Proxima B stretches across 11 Earth days. Imagine sunrises unfolding in slow motion, golden hours that linger far longer than any Earth photographer could dream of, and sunsets that seem to pause time itself. While beautiful, this unique rhythm raises compelling questions. Could our biological clocks adapt to such prolonged cycles of light and darkness? Would our sleep patterns change? Would our nutritional needs evolve? Life there might feel eerily familiar, yet undeniably alien, a puzzle nature offers us, cloaked in riddles. Could intelligent life on Proxima B, if it exists, resemble our own civilization? This question challenges our very notion of what makes a planet truly habitable. But how can we learn about a world we've never set foot on? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, a technological marvel orbiting high above Earth, operating as a cosmic laboratory. Its cutting-edge tools allow astronomers not only to see distant exoplanets, but to analyze them. Using infrared sensors and spectrographs, the telescope can detect the light those planets emit or reflect, breaking it down to study each component wavelength. In doing so, scientists perform something akin to a remote biopsy, gathering vital clues about a planet's atmosphere, pressure, composition, and even the presence of life-supporting elements like water vapor, organic molecules, or oxygen. This telescope isn't just an observer. It's a revelation machine. It transforms speculation into data and reshapes how we perceive a universe beyond our skies. Then, just as scientists began to feel a clearer picture forming, something extraordinary happened. Using James Webb's instruments, researchers picked up a signal, an anomaly, originating from Proxima B. It wasn't random. It was complex, rhythmic, deliberate, and it sent shockwaves through scientific institutions and online communities alike. Was this a communication? A deliberate broadcast from an intelligent source? For a brief, electrifying moment, humanity held its breath, gripped by the possibility that we might not be alone in the cosmos. But just as suddenly as it appeared, the signal vanished, leaving behind an eerie silence, a surge of speculation, and a galaxy of unanswered questions. Was it a transient space blip? A cosmic hiccup, or a whisper from a distant intelligence trying to reach out through the noise of time and space? Perhaps the final echo of a long-lost civilization? That solitary signal transformed Proxima B from a distant exoplanet into a symbol of cosmic mystery, now the epicenter of humanity's search for connection. It may be only the beginning of a deeper, richer narrative, one where we are not isolated, but potentially part of a greater interstellar story. One truth remains: the mystery drives us. It inspires not just scientific curiosity, but something deeper, an innate human desire to connect, to understand, to discover. And the story isn't over. As innovation continues, scientists are reimagining the James Webb Space Telescope as more than a watcher. It is becoming an active cosmic detective. Plans are underway to use its immense power not just to search for signs of biology, but for signs of technology. Artificial lights, glowing skylines, evidence of entire alien cities shimmering under unfamiliar stars. Imagine it. Civilizations bathed in artificial brilliance beneath alien sunsets. Street lamps, urban life, a bustling world not so different from ours, waiting to be seen. Radiating energy into the cosmos, not through biological means, but through artificial illumination. A city gleams on the dark side of a distant planet, a manufactured glow cutting through the interstellar night. It sounds like science fiction, yet it is edging ever closer to scientific fact. The detection of such light wouldn't just suggest intelligent life beyond Earth. It would signal a pattern, perhaps even a cosmic cadence. Life and intelligence, not as anomalies, but as recurring notes in the universe's grand composition. And what would such a revelation mean for humanity? It would shatter philosophical norms, reshape theological interpretations, challenge geopolitical structures, and revolutionize scientific understanding. In an instant, we would no longer be Earth's isolated progeny. We would become part of a broader, possibly ancient galactic lineage. Profound questions would emerge, questions we've scarcely dared to imagine. How do we initiate contact? What knowledge could we exchange? And most importantly, how do we redefine ourselves in light of the knowledge that we are not alone? Yet for now, we linger at the threshold. The James Webb Space Telescope continues its silent voyage, scanning the depths of the cosmos, decoding atmospheres, and revealing secrets long held in cosmic silence. Every spectral analysis, every subtle fluctuation in light, brings us closer to answering the ultimate questions. Are we alone? What else inhabits this infinite universe? Could we one day call another distant planet home? This is not just scientific inquiry. It is revelation. As we stand at the dawn of this extraordinary chapter, let us remember, the cosmos is not merely vast. It is alive with mysteries. And guided by the vision of the James Webb Space Telescope, we are no longer passive observers. We are becoming active participants in uncovering our cosmic story, one star, one signal, one world at a time.